Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Dave's Kitchen with
a little coffee bean.
Alright, so it's been a while since I've done some filming here. I've been really crazy busy lately. And I need to come up with something, or I did come up with something, really super crazy that's gonna blow your guys' mind.
Wait. What do you mean by crazy?
Something really crazy? And it involves meat?
No.
Like meat?
No.
Okay, anyway, hold on. So I've got some dry aged meat over in the fridge. I've got a bone-in New York strip, 30 days wet, 63 days dry, and I've got to cut it up. But this ain't gonna work. So what do you think I should do?
Well,
How am I gonna cut it up? Unless I get crazy.
get a chainsaw.
A chainsaw.
What do you expect? Like do a backflip?
Chainsaw sounds cool, but I did do the Sawzall, and we saw how that kind of went all over the place, and the blade like, you know, like just not really still.
What was
So I
that
got something
impression?
steady.
What was that impression?
I don't know. Anyway, little company wanted to show you this. She said that she's gonna eat it, and she's
No,
gonna,
I'm not.
yes, you are, and she's gonna challenge all of you guys to this. This stuff is really good.
Okay, it's official. This is now a little coffee bean.
There
right
are
here.
videos all over YouTube where people are eating it and like dying.
No, I'm not.
Crazy mommy loves this. She
I'm
even
not
puts
eating that.
hot sauce all over this. Yeah, we're gonna eat this.
I'm not eating
That's
that.
your crazy video.
I would like to keep my taste buds. Thank you very much.
This is good. Anyway, enough of the introduction. Let's get crazy. Well guys, here is the fridge with the New York there. There you go. We're gonna zoom in there. That it is. Now, don't worry about the temperatures. As you can see, there's 3 different ones, and all 3 of them have different temperatures. That's why I have more than one thermometer to kind of get an average. Well, I'm gonna pull the baby out. We're gonna cut it up, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So, what's the crazy idea? Well, here is that dry aged bone-in New York strip, and I think the flies uninvited guest over here. All right, now over here to my left, you see a saw. This is a chop saw here, you know, and a little bit of power here. I kind of cleaned it up a little bit, sanitized it. Oh, whoopie-doo, it's got a little bit of wood pulp on it, but nowadays if you buy, Parmesan cheese, it's made with ground wood pulp, so a little bit of cellulose fiber ain't gonna kill nobody, right? Now, what could go wrong? I have no clue. So I got my safety goggles on. Little coffee bean behind the camera. She's got her safety goggles on. And we're going to find out what's going on. We got a few neighbors kind of off camera in the background. They're like, I'm keeping my distance because Crazy Dave's up to no good. I got my tape measure. And I think we're going to slice these babies up at about 1.5 inches here. But I think first I got to square it off. So we're going to square it off first. Let's see. I think we're gonna maybe start over here. I'm gonna go about right here. Let's see here. Let's see here. Yeah, let's see here. Little coffee may want to stand back a little bit because I don't know what's gonna happen. It didn't look too bad. Let's see here. And I think we'll line it up a little bit here. Let's see here. A little bit of a kickback there, but not bad. I mean, I can always hand trim that off, but I think a lot of it has to do with this backbone right here. Seems to give me a little bit of the problem here. But you know what? Not bad. I mean, it works. Just a little messy. Let's see here. We're gonna do about 1.5 inches. Let's see here. And let's see here. That's a 2-inch cut. Let's go with a 1.5 inch. It's about almost 1.5 inches here. We'll go here a little bit more. Let's see here. That's about 1.5 inches. All right, Cal, for being stand back. Happening is it's hitting here and can't go all the way through, but it's not that bad. I mean, look at it's not bad at all, and I might be able to actually cut these by hand. So let's try maybe another one. Let's go 1.5 inches over that. Let's see here. That's a 2-inch cut. Wait, wrong way. Ha! Didn't want to do that, right? Alright, there's that. That's 1 inch. Let's see here. So difficulty scale, it's a little difficult. Fun. Let's see here, there we go. Crazy? Of course. Always crazy, right? The son of a carpenter, man. I wonder what my dad is going to say about this. What do you think? What do you think Grandpa's going to say? What do you think Grandpa Don's going to say? Dog food?
Looks like cat food.
Cat food, okay.
I mean, dog, cat food, same difference. But that's a mess.
Boy, I don't think I'm going to like the cleanup on this. What do you think? Oh, wow, look at that, 1.5 inches. We got some more neighbors over here going, what is Crazy Dave up to?
Not only is Crazy Dave a great cook.
I'm cutting New York strip, man. I'm like, I don't have the saw for it.
Crazy Dave knows how to fix cars. Now you have your money.
I'll get that from you in 1 second. How's the car running?
Good, I believe.
Woohoo!
I haven't driven it myself.
Crazy Dave the mechanic now.
Carpenter, then a mechanic.
Ah! But you actually trust David the mechanic when I'm doing crazy stuff like this?
Yeah. Just don't cut off your hand.
No, I don't plan on cutting off my hand. You want to try it? That's a 2-inch cut.
Please do not try this at home.
Yeah, do not try this at home, guys. This is Crazy Dave's a crazy certified professional. I did say crazy. How many more cuts we got? Maybe 3? They're looking good. Let's see here. And what was it? This was 30 days wet and
30 days,
63
and I
dry?
believe-
Something like that? I don't know.
30 days dry, I believe. It's we start doing it in April. And
If you watch, it's hitting here. Can you see this little coffee bean? See, when you go down, see how it's hitting here? That's why it's not going all the way through, because the top bone right here, the backbone, is hitting this bar. But I'm going to try to hand cut these when we're done. We'll have to probably do that inside the house. Or I can turn them around. That's not quite an inch. I think my neighbor's over here because he's gonna try to steal one of these things, man. Let's see here. Yeah, that's good enough.
there seems to be a lot back there.
Oh yeah, cat food? Thanks, brother.
Just food.
Thank you.
You think it's a little too dangerous? You gotta walk away.
I'm getting red meat spit on me over here.
Wait a minute. So maybe I should go to like a vegetarian party and do this.
Don't forget it's in your back pocket.
No, I will not. Thank you, sir. All right, guys. I think this might be the last cut. We'll see. All right, little coffee bean, walk around this thing and film this thing, man. Look at all that mess.
You have strictly 10 minutes worth of cutting meat with this.
Wow. Do I recommend it?
No.
Probably not. I mean, this is more messier than the sawzall.
It's just a mess. It's not even food, just a mess.
Huh?
It's not even food, it's just a mess.
Let's take it over here. Let's see what we got. So,
You're better off hand cutting this.
I'm going to hand finish these, yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to hand finish these. I think I'm going to go inside and grab the knife. I think I'll hand finish this. But overall, would I recommend this? Honestly? Probably not. I mean, there's meat, like, everywhere.
Cat food.
I mean, look at it. It's all over the ground. Guys, I'm going to give this 2 thumbs down. It's crazy. Don't get me wrong. It's really crazy. But for the mess, it ain't worth it. I think I'm going to have to save some money and get an actual bandsaw. Well, stay with me. I'm going to hand cut these. We got to open up the inside so you guys see how wonderful they look. I'll be right back.
Okay, go.
Hey guys, so now we're back in the kitchen. Man, I'm telling you guys, the chop saw was cool. It was tight. It was actually kind of cool. I mean, like I said, I have experience, my dad being a carpenter, so I kind of have experience with the chop saw. For an average consumer or individual, a little dangerous. You saw it kicking back a little bit. I expected it, so I kind of knew how the saw was going to react, so that's why I kind of did that. But I would not recommend, again, I would not recommend you guys do that. It's a little dangerous, made one heck of a mess, took a long time to clean up. But what I'm doing now is I brought the steaks back into the kitchen, and I'm just going to basically bring them over here, and this is a bone scraper tool, kind of cool. And basically what it does is it gets rid of the bone dust. And if you notice, look how nice, and you just kind of push a little hard on it, kind of get the edges, turn around a little bit, and you just keep doing it. And if you notice, it's kind of collecting right there. See that? That's actually what they call the bone dust. And you do it on both sides. Just kind of scrape it. And every now and then you got to kind of, wedge it in there a little bit and just keep scraping it. And you end up with an absolutely gorgeous looking steak. I'm going to go ahead and keep scraping off the bone. Then I'm going to go ahead and debone them. Personally, I do not like to leave the bone on these steaks. Well, stay with us. I'll show you the finished product. Hey guys, okay, so I got done hand trimming these New Yorks over here. They are absolutely beautiful, okay? Now, again, would I recommend using the chop saw? Absolutely not. The reason why I say that is when I actually did that by hand and I hand trimmed it and kind of went under with a fillet knife and kind of pulled the bone off and then I hand cut the New York strips, honestly, I felt that I got more uniform cut. Again, take a look at this. They're beautiful, but you notice that they're different sizes. Even though I went to measure it for an inch and a half, I think a lot of that had to do with the kickback on that. Still, they're beautiful, but honestly, when it comes down to it, hand trim them. Honestly, it's not that hard. Take that fillet knife, lift that bone up, debone it, and you're gonna have some amazing New York steaks. Crazy Dave, I'm out.